Hello, I'm Jen from Cakey Lulu's, and in this video I'm going to share with you how to use your PropSecure sidebar separator with dummy cakes. Here I have two dummy cakes. I have an 8-inch and 6-inch diameter, and those are the same sizes as the plates on my separator. And before I attach the separator, I need to prepare the dummies. Now, if I were to just add the separator on, pushing the pins into the dummy cake, although it would be really secure, it would also be quite difficult to remove the separator afterwards. So we need to prepare the dummy cake beforehand by making some holes where the pins will attach. So to do that, I'm going to take my separator and place it onto the bottom tier. And I'm going to line up the edges of the separator with the edges of the dummy. And here I have 3 cocktail sticks, which I'm going to insert into the dummy cake using the holes of the separator as a guide. Then carefully removing the separator, I now have 3 cocktail sticks to show me where to make the holes for my pins. I'm going to show you 2 different ways to make the holes for your PropSecure pins. And the first is simply using a paintbrush, and using the end of the paintbrush handle, I'm going to remove one of the cocktail sticks and just push the handle about 3 inches into the dummy, and then remove it, and you've got a hole ready for your PropSecure pins. The other way I'm going to show you is the method that I like to use, and that is using a drill, or as I have here, a cordless screwdriver, and I've fitted that with a 6mm drill bit. And what I'm going to do is drill a hole where the toothpick mark is for the pin to go in. Now, this method can be a little bit messy, but having a damp piece of kitchen roll nearby will help you to clear up any of the polystyrene mess. So now I've made my 3 holes in my dummy cake, I need to prepare the pins into my sidebar separator. So turning my separator upside down, I'm going to take each pin, insert it into the hole and twist to secure. So now that the bottom plate is prepared and the pins are securely attached, I'm going to bring back my dummy tier, and I would spread some royal icing on the top, and then taking my separator, I'll line up the pins with the holes and push it down in place to secure. My top plate is now prepared, again with the pins securely in place, and I've pre-drilled 3 holes in my top tier dummy cake. So I would again add some royal icing onto the top plate just to make sure it's extra secure. And then all I'm going to do is pick up my top tier and line up the holes with the pins, and then carefully supporting the bottom of the top plate, push the top tier in place. And now your top tier is completely secure and in place, so much so that you could even lift your separator and tip it and it's not going to move anywhere. For decorating tips, head on over to the Prop Options YouTube channel, where I have various videos showing you how to decorate your sidebar using fondant, and also my PropSecure tutorial showing you how to use your PropSecure pins with a real cake and how to disguise the top and bottom tiers using ganache or buttercream. I hope you've enjoyed this video and found it really useful, and we can't wait to hear what you think about PropSecure. I'll see you in my next video. Bye!